adventure. But we are going to an adventure show. We're going to the BC Sportsman Show just to see what's there. We're gonna. Well, that beeping's gonna drive me nuts. One of our sponsors is there, Lee from Doghouse. We're gonna stop by, say hi. If you don't know what Doghouse is, that's what's on top of our truck. That's what we sleep in, and we love it. So we're gonna go see Lee and check out the event. You guys gonna come? Let's go. So we're heading into the Chilliwack Heritage Park. This is where the event's being held. And we are, I'm not sure what this car's waiting for. Just gonna check it out. See, stop and say hi to Lee. And yeah.
And leave.
And then leave, exactly. They didn't even ask. The man behind it all.
Some days.
The myth. The legend.
Some days.
This thing is awesome. This will be our new 4x4 vehicle.
No.
Eventually.
I can't.
Eventually.
Okay, only if we get an ATV for me.
Yeah, deal. It's kind of a fun show. We just did the 3 different rooms. Very crowded though. But
It's funny.
yeah, we're off. So we're just leaving. Doing these outdoor shows can be a lot of fun. For all the stuff that you see, you know, the new products and merchandise, and this show is more hunting and fishing. I've never really been much into that. I mean, growing up, I would go out and target practice with my dad, but I've never been, we would go fishing and stuff like that, but I've never eaten fish. Well, I mean, I did. And just by kidding. And finding, you know, the ones that you like is a little bit different than, oh, this guy just decided to park right in the middle of the road. I don't get this. Look at this. Let's just park right in the middle of the road. Nobody else is parked here. It's not hard to find our truck anymore.
No, what is it?
Stands out a little. Just a little, right?
Where's our truck?
It's fun time. Sometimes it's fun. I can't speak.
It's fun time.
It's fun time. But you know what? One thing you'll never find me doing is splicing my videos. I can't stand that. When I see somebody talking and then it's like, and then they're talking. It's like, no. I make a mistake, I roll with it. We aren't perfect. We are human. So
We're only human.
we're only human. Anyway, we were just at that show, and these shows are kind of fun sometimes. Meeting new people, and somebody pulled over there. I'm not gonna pull over yet. Just for the fact that, you know, you get to see all the new products and stuff, so it's kind of fun. Seeing Doghouse there, seeing their mascot, the Sasquatch, was kind of fun as we were leaving. We're heading home. I'm going to work on my lights. Kaden just threw in waterfall, and
We're going to it.
there's one that's actually really close, which I didn't even know about. So we're going to go, looks like in 2.1 kilometers here, turn to find some waterfall that I've never known about. Like she just said. Thank you. But yeah, oh, there's whatchamacallit, Ciders.
Ciders?
He's
Where?
not gonna recognize me now though. Spartan.
Oh, it's Martin?
He goes to our church. Yeah.
Martin?
Spartan. He won't recognize my truck anymore because I don't have the original branding on it anymore.
Of course you don't. It looks better like this.
But yes, we can't get lost anymore. So it's kind of fun. But yeah, we're gonna hit this waterfall on this exit. Let's go. Let's go this way. That way. I really hope that's not the falls.
It's not.
That'd be pretty sad. But yeah, we're gonna see if we can find the real falls. Probably. I don't know how far of a hike it is, but let's find out. I can hear water.
Yeah, this is the trail.
I've never known this was here. I lived in Abbotsford for what, 10 years? 20, no, 5 years I lived in Abbotsford. But I grew up next door in Langley, or Aldergrove, whatever you want to call it. But I never knew these were here. So this is actually quite interesting. Let's go find out. That's so cool. You know, having grown up here, as I said before, I've said this a few times, you never know what you can find in your own backyard. That's neat. We're gonna see if we can get any closer to this thing. This is cool. This is called Devon Falls. This is in Abbotsford. I never knew about it. Small little falls, but really cool. But now we gotta try to figure our way out of here. Oh, this is nice and narrow. I think you're going the wrong way, Caden. You're going the wrong way. Oh, I don't like how narrow this is. I'm gonna fall. We've seen much bigger waterfalls. But that is neat. Literally in our backyard. Just on our way home. Caden found this thing and we decided to stop. I'm going, that can't be real. It's gotta be a restaurant. It's gotta be something else. And there's the highway right there.
That's where we were half an hour ago.
Actually, I don't think that's the highway. That's just one of the main roads here. Highway's down further.